Ratio shows how numbers relate, like 2 is to 5 or 3 is to 8. The first number's called the antecedent, the second one is the consequent. In mixing your paint gears in a machine, ratios make the right balance seen. Ratios mostly can be part to part, sometimes part to whole, so be quick, be smart. So what do we call all these number twins? Ratios, ratios. Only the brave one, the diligent wins. Ratios, ratios. Let's say the ratio of cats to rats is 2 is to 3 running in the flats. How many cats, how many rats, we'll see if all in all their number is 20. Let x be the common multiplier for cats, 2x, and rats, 3x, don't tire. Now 2x plus 3x equals 20. Combine and then 5x equals 20. Divide both sides by 5 and you will see that x equals 4. Plug it in with glee. 2x is 2 times 4 equals 8 cats. 3x is 3 times 4 equals 12 rats. So what do we call all these number twins? Ratios, ratios. Only the brave one, the diligent wins. Ratios, ratios. So what do we call all these number twins? Ratios, ratios. Only the brave one, the diligent wins. Ratios, ratios. For those ratios that are part to whole, say of 15 balls, 5 are green, what's not? 15 minus 5 non-green, or 10 balls. An easy answer you've perfectly got.